Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add tags or labels to your Google website pages in 2025 so that visitors and search engine can better understand and organize your content. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come on site.google.com and launch your website. Over here in the left hand section, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like inserting the spacer, buttons, drivers, etc. But you will notice that Google website doesn't have the built-in tag feature like the blogs do. But you can still add tags manually by using the text blocks and the invisible labels. At the bottom of each of the article or the page, you can just simply click on this text box and insert the tags over here. You can add the tags something like this. After tags, you can add the tags and use the relevant keyword that you want your page to rank for. This actually helps with SEO. If you don't want the tags to be visible, you can reduce the size of the font. For that, click on the tags section, then select the size of the fonts and it will be reduced to very normal. So you can use the background that could possibly hide the keywords. Just make sure not to overstuff the keywords and only use the 3 to 5 relevant tags per page. If you are using pages like categories, you can hyperlink each of the tag text to its related page. For example, let's say for productivity you want to add the link. So first of all, select productivity, then click on this link option. Over here, paste the link of that particular page that you have available on this topic. So after tagging, simply click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen and click on the publish option again in order to update your website live. So these tags will now help with both navigation and search engines visibility. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.